What's up, Saber fans and non-Saber fans? It's your boy Breeze back again. Today we have one of the best Anakin Skywalker Revenge of the Sith replicas out there. This is the SP Sabers Low Ground. Now, in my opinion, there are three top replicas when it comes to Anakin's lightsaber. That's the 7 Chambers Anaflex Elite V2, the SP Sabers Low Ground, and the KR Sabers AS3. All three are awesome hilts. But I am, after having worked on this Low Ground, I think I like this better than the other two. Mainly because the switch is actually the slider switch here. There are no buttons or anything under the clamp card like the other models. I know that the Anaflex, the power button's up here, but in my opinion, my preference would be this switch, and that's why I like this replica the best. Unfortunately, you won't be able to find a Low Ground anywhere except, you know, from getting it secondhand. Same thing with the Anaflex Elite V2. The AS3 is still available at the Saber Armory, so if you do want one of the best replicas out there, definitely go check out the Saber Armory for that. But this one was installed for Jamal. So let's take a look at the install. All right, so this is actually a Solo Sabers LLC chassis that Jamal sent to me to be installed in this hilt. You can remove the grip section here. The top can also be removed. I don't know why you would ever have to do that, Jamal, but you can, so you can take a look. So it does come out. Here we are. But it is, I did put it in this switch section here. It's very solid. It's not gonna come apart or anything like that. But like I said, you wouldn't have to take this emitter part off at all, I don't think. Because just taking the grip section off, you have access to everything that you need access to. Okay, so this thing has been installed with a Proffie 3.9. This is a kill switch here. Smugglers Outpost 28mm dark side speaker. Removable and rechargeable 18650 battery. 2 switches that you can toggle with the slider switch here. Power is up, auxiliary is down, and then there's also a KR Sabers, I believe, lit PCB in here. So let's go ahead and flip this thing on.
Sometimes I wonder what's happening to the Jedi Order.
Put the grip back on. And then to activate it, like I said, the switch, slider switch, goes up. Toggle auxiliary, you hit the switch down. So this thing has been installed with the Soundfonts that Jamal sent me, as well as another Anakin sound font that's going to be the very first sound font. So I'm gonna have you play around with that, Jamal, and tell me what you think about it. It also has gesture controls, twist on, twist off. Right now it's super loud. But let's go ahead and put a blade in it. So there is a couple ways to retain the blade. This is one of them. The threads go in just a little bit, so you're just gonna wanna unscrew that. And then under this top button here is a hidden retention screw that you're gonna need your hex key to undo. There you go. There's the lit PCB. It does take a 7/8 inch blade. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. And tighten the retention screw down. All right. So this was programmed for a 36-inch blade, just like you requested, Jamal.
Anakin. You underestimate my power! You underestimate my power! I want more.
Master Skywalker, there are too many of them. What are we going to do?
I'm never touching that thing again.
You ever hear the tragedy of Darth Plagueis the Wise?
That's a fun one that Jamal sent me that he did want on this saber. It's the Ghostbusters. No proton beam action.
This is where the fun begins.
So yeah, guys, that's it. This is my favorite saber design ever. It is the SP Sabers Low Ground, Anakin Skywalker's lightsaber from Revenge of the Sith, Episode 3. Fantastic replica. This one has been installed for Jamal. So if you guys are looking for a custom lightsaber installation, a custom neopixel blade, a conversion of a master replica, or a Black Series, hit me up, check me out, Breezy Saber Works on Facebook, Instagram, like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, may the Force be with you. Peace.